Master data is the foundation of LPOne and consists of different types of information that need to be stated in order to successfully use the different features of LPOne. You find the master data in the LPOne sidebar menu in SAP Business One. Here it's necessary to fill in information about work centers, manufacturing phases, routings, and resources. Then this will be summarized in the bill of materials. Under Work Center, you can find information about the work centers involved in your production. These can be either internal or external. What's most essential here are the costs, which are used in basically all features of LPOne. You can also find information about the resources in each work center. However, these will be explained further in the resources master data. In the manufacturing phases, you define all the phases that are needed to create a finished product. The most essential factors here are related to time, like units per time, setup time, and waiting time. For internal manufacturing phases, you can find the related work center code. And for the external manufacturing phases, you can find the related supplier code. A routing is a sequence of phases. In this example, you can see a routing with two internal phases related to two work center codes. And for routings with external phases, you can find the related supplier codes. We could previously see resources in the work center master data. Resources can be either machines or workers. In this example, we can see a resource in form of a machine related to the cutting work center. Resources master data is mainly useful for the feature start and stop in LPOne. Bill of materials shows a complete graphical presentation of all related components and manufacturing phases for a finished product in one single overview. Hence, this is more comprehensive and detailed compared to the standard bill of materials in SAP Business One. As a result of LPOne's extensive master data, you can fully take advantage of all the features of LPOne.